Let's take a look at this Kaido House Mini GT Datsun 510 Wagon 4x4 right here on H-Dub 50.
Alright!
Welcome everybody back to the channel, and I saw this pop up on, I think I was watching a Lamley live stream on Whatnot, and we are also sponsored by Whatnot. The link is in the description below. If you haven't signed up for an account with Whatnot, use our link. You'll get a credit. I think it's a $10 credit. We get support from you. We also get something from Whatnot for you signing up. But yeah, I was on the Lamley live, and I haven't been watching or following Kaido House releases, so I had no clue that this one was out. Kaido House had put out a 4x4 Datsun 510 wagon, and I was a little confused because I thought he was going to do something more of the street rod or street type of car like this one, lowered, slammed to the ground. But when I saw this, I was absolutely floored because I've always wanted to take my wife's '05 Corolla and make it look kind of like this. So I bought this one because I want to see what it looks like in person. Alright, so let's get that bottom. I just tore it or cut it open just enough so that I can pull out the car. Oh wow, that looks nice. So yeah, let's take a look at the box. That's kind of cool. Okay, let's take a look at this. So this is the first time I'm looking at it. Obviously, I just cut it open in front of you. But look at this. Look down the top. Look at that. Okay. I really don't want to break it. So here we go. So there's the wagon, and wow, it comes with 2 surfboards. Okay, let's see if I can take those out without breaking them, because I don't think you get the full effect. Oh, well, I did drop it. Okay, so there you go. Okay, so not only did I drop it, dropped the surfboard, but it rolled the car off the turntable when I pushed back on the table. Okay, so let's get that back on the turntable. Let's take a look at that. And I believe these just get attached. Cool deal. Let's get close on that. Now, what's not on the video, you're obviously watching the edited version, but what you didn't see during all the breaks that I took to reset was the car rolling off the turntable like this 3 times so far. So, I don't know how I'm going to keep it. This car is so heavy that it is helping, well, it's causing the turntable to lean. So if you notice, it does have a little bit of wobble in there. Okay, so this is a stunning piece of diecast. I want to call it artwork, because there's no way that this can't be considered an art piece. There's so much detail on it. Not only the racks and the surfboards, but the rear view mirrors out here on the fenders. It's got headlights. It looks like inserts to make them yellow. They're not just painted. We have those polished aluminum rims. There's a roll cage on the inside. I can see a shifter, and most importantly, this 510 is a right-hand driver. This is nice. This is awesome. This is something that I wanted to do to the Corolla. And unfortunately, we did trade it for a Venza that I can't do anything to either. So it's a stock Venza. Wow, look at that. Twin cam. Nissan twin cam. So I think that's funny that it says Nissan on it, but The brand name is actually Datsun. Of course, Nissan is the parent company of the Datsun brand. And I think Datsun's been discontinued since the 80s, I believe. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. It's beautiful. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. Check out the description section for a link to our Whatnot sponsorship here. And you can sign up for Whatnot using our link, and they'll give you a credit of $10. You'll help the channel out. We'll get something out of it also. So please, don't forget to like the video, and we'll see you on the next one. Wait, hold up. For our new viewers, check out our end screens where you'll see links to our previous video, a video YouTube thinks you like, and a link to our second channel.